I'm at the apartments on 11800 Kittridge Street. Kittridge Street is actually the cross street right there. So the front of the apartments will be on Kittridge, and I'm on a side street called Morello. So from Kittridge, you would turn on this street called Morello and come all the way down. And if you come all the way down, this is like a back entrance and exit for the apartments. It's actually the entrance for the apartment parking lot. So there's the parking lot, and then here's their dumpster. So the apartments, here's the dumpster for their trash right here, and where the dumpster goes is actually where the room for the water heater is. So the dumpster goes right here. I pull the dumpster out, and then we have our water heater room right there. Bam. So there's a little ledge to get up right here. And here's our water heater. So the doorway is actually 35 by 80. So the doorway is 35 width and 80 inches height. 35 inches width and 80 inches height. And the dimensions of the whole water heater room is actually 5 feet width and 7 feet by 10 inches in the length. So from that wall to the door, 7 feet 10 inches, and the width we have 5 feet. And then the whole height of the room, the whole height of this tank room is 9 feet 2 inches. Okay, so now let's look at the tank. We have a switch right here going up to the light, and then this other pipe is going outside, but we have a switch that goes to a junction box right there, and then an LB going into the apartment building. And I believe we have, oh, and then we have an outlet right there, and that's where this outlet is drawing its power from that junction box. And then we have the outlet and switch right there. That is for the current tank, storage tank, water heater storage tank. And then from the switch, we have a little junction box right there. Just gonna try to record everything on this water heater. Hopefully I don't miss anything. Innovative. They sound familiar. And then we have another little innovative control box. And company Innovative sounds pretty familiar. Going to the pump. And now we have an outlet right there. So for the current pump and control, we have the pump right there. Going to the box, and then our outlet. We have our sensor. But alright, let's start following the pipes again. So from the bottom, which I believe is the cold, coming out and coming in. I believe it's 1.5 inch pipe. We get a valve right here, and then we have a T. We'll follow the first one. So coming this way, down reduces until it looks like a 1/2 inch pipe. Valve, release, going that way into the pump, and then from the pump going up, and then coming up, put another valve right there. And then going up into the building. Okay, so that, we just followed our code from the first split of the T. So the code from the first split of the T, now we're code for the second. Again, I believe it's a 1/2 inch pipe. Valve, and into the building, going up into the building. And that's for the cold. Now let's follow the hot, which is right here. Again, I believe it's 1.5 inch pipe. We have what appears to be a flow switch. So from the hot water coming out, we hit that flow switch, what appears to be valve, going on up, and then we have a T right here that comes out to this. And then if we continue following it, it comes to the valve, another T, going to the cap, and then going 90 into the wall, into the apartment building. So again, this is the hot. And that was our hot. And then I'm just gonna continue recording everything just so I don't miss anything. So for the stack, our vent stack comes up and up into the building. We have a little box, junction box for the switch right there. Switch going to the outlet, going there, and there. And then we have this outlet going to the controller box for the pump. Here's the existing, what I believe is the pump. Not too sure though, to be honest. And that's pretty much it for our tank. There's a vent right there, I notice, and right there. 2 vents just pointing out on the bottom and the top. And that's for our storage tank room.